Welcome to the world of user interface design. Let's explore how to craft elegant and effective interfaces using Figma. First, open Figma. You'll be greeted with a blank canvas, your digital playground on the left. You'll find the Tools panel, shapes, text, and more on the right. The Properties panel lets you customize any selected element. Let's start by creating a simple rectangle. Select the Rectangle tool. Click and drag on the canvas in the Properties panel. Adjust the fill color, add a border, and round those corners for a softer look. Next, the Text tool. Click the T icon. Click on the canvas, and start typing. Use the Properties panel to adjust font size, weight, color, and alignment. Time to build a button. Create a rectangle and add some text. Then we'll learn about auto layout. Auto layout automatically spaces and resizes elements, making them responsive and easy to update. Now let's combine those elements. Select both the rectangle and text. Then, in the Auto Layout panel, set the properties. You can specify the distance between elements, making the button responsive as content changes. And there you have it. You can now repeat those steps and build the foundations of any UI. And with consistent use of Auto Layout, we'll be able to make layouts that scale. Keep experimenting, play with components. And that's how to bring your interface visions to life.